Timmy Joe reviews anything.
Reviewing computer parts on YouTube.
That's
Woo! Gotta be pumped on that, right, Will? Computer parts! Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Hi there, Timmy Joe here from the internet, and this is Tyler. He's a lot lower than me. Whoop! There we go. Tyler's been helping out with the channel for like going on since the beginning of the year, 6 to 8 months, anyways. By just bringing me random stuff. And what is your obsession with weird computer cases and stuff? Like, how old are you?
22.
22. He has no idea. He wasn't even born when half this stuff was relevant. And but I certainly remember it. Now, he brought some stuff today, and I wanted to put him on camera. We've recorded something before, and it didn't work out. But today, we're going to look at some fun things that he brought. And the first one isn't old, but it's definitely worth looking at because he's a really weird person for buying this.
It's got a flaming unicorn.
Now, I guess you or Linus beat you to the punch with this one. But, I mean, it's the... What brand is it? Oh, it's the Silverstone with the coolest unicorn, flaming unicorn I've ever seen. Is he? Yeah, he's a unicorn. But this is actually like a nice case. You're going to build a computer in this, aren't you?
Oh, one day.
And you didn't just buy one, right?
No, bought the white one as well.
He bought the last two on Amazon. So, it's actually a nice case, and that's tempered glass, yeah?
Yeah, tempered glass, RGB fans, RGB
and it's
in the top.
Silverstone, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get a look at that one more time. Ugh. Sexy is the only word to describe that unicorn. And the white one is the unicorn's blue.
Yeah.
It's the Premier PMO1 with Asus Aura Sync support. Cool. All right. Next one is a little smaller, and it's kind of way outside the realm of stuff I usually look at. But he's giving this to me. It just comes with this, right?
Yeah, that's all.
But that's cool. Sinclair. Everyone knows what Sinclair is, right? That's a Timex thing?
Yeah.
Sinclair mini computer from 1980 that would be like a basic computer, like a, you know, pretty much like an Apple II or something like that. But he has everything in box with the programming manual and everything. And I'm going to hook this up to a TV and try and write some basic code. Or if you want to load programs on it, there's a mic input so you can use a tape deck. I actually have a tape deck. Yeah.
Who fucking owns this anymore?
I do. Hold on. Bam! That would work. I think. Maybe not.
Doesn't look old enough.
Doesn't look old enough. General Electric. So I'll be doing something with this because I've been wanting to get my hands on some really old computer stuff for a while. So thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
$10 on Kijiji or something, and it's probably worth 10 times that to the 8-bit guy. All right, so the last one that he brought today is really cool, but it doesn't actually have a computer in it, unfortunately.
Not yet.
Not yet. He brought me that Falcon North West battle box or combat. What is it called? Battle
Frag
box.
box.
Frag box. And this is the opposite of that. Falcon North West. I need to fix the camera. Boom. The Falcon. So this is an all aluminum construction, as these always were, and it's top mounted, so you can get, I don't know, all your air will exhaust out the top, and you open it up, or it'll just do it itself. Oh, that's the back. Do you know what this one was called?
Oh.
No?
No, I don't know the name of this.
So Falcon Northwest being a boutique PC manufacturer from the early 90s up until they still make the stuff. This is probably mid-2000s.
2011.
So 2011, so it said there was a Phenom in this.
Yeah.
And it's really freaking dirty.
Fresh find.
Fresh find, yeah. But I got drive cages and an AIO that's like this thick.
200 mil fan in there.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
I think it was actually Silverstone case though.
Yeah, that's what the frag box is, I think. Too.
Yeah.
Or it's one of them, anyways. But yeah, that's super cool. So thanks for bringing this stuff for me, man.
Yeah, no problem.
There's always fun stuff from Tyler. So he's gonna do a build in this, and maybe we'll look at it once he's got it like period correct and all cleaned up. But he's the one that gave me the Voodoo computers. He's actually taken back the 85-pound or 89-pound. What's it called? HP Blackbird
002.
with Voodoo DNA in it, and I don't know. You're not leaving any of this stuff, right? Just the Sinclair.
No, you want this? Nothing you can really do with it without it until I do something with it, right?
Well, yeah, I could build a system in it, but
I'll take her home and get something.
yeah, he's gonna have to put like 10 more bucks of gas in his car with all the computer cases he's got in there to get home. Cool. Well, thanks very much for watching, guys. If you want to see this stuff built up, or if you want to see a Stallion case build eventually or something, or me play with the Timex Sinclair, let me know in the comments below. And thanks very much, man.
Yep.
Always a pleasure. I hope he's in frame. Yeah, you're probably in frame. I'm Matt Washington, enjoy Instagram and Twitter, and this has just been a really quick video because he always brings such cool stuff, and he was stopping by. Lives about an hour and a half away from me, and you know, finally in the new studio, get to say hi to him and introduce you guys. This is Tyler. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye.
Makes videos about computers on the internet.